Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure some of you are wondering, you're just getting started maybe on YouTube or streaming or some type of reviewing, and you're trying to set up your setup and you don't know what to buy. Well, today I'm going to go over some products that I use on a daily basis in my channel to create product reviews, stream, and do all the things that I need to do on my desk. So let's get into them. I'll go through each one of them. And remember that Grandpa's on a budget, and so are you, so let's try to save some money. Now, this first device is a ring light stand with clamps. And it comes with everything you need. So now it has a 10-inch ring light, which is, can you change the color? You can change the brightness. Number two, it comes with various connectors and mounts, so you could connect your cell phone or a camera or a webcam. And you also have an additional clamp where you can connect a cell phone to it, and it is a desk mount, and it's well made. And not only that, the clamps that are on there are very well made so that it doesn't damage your desk. That is the first thing you're going to need, of course, is something to hold everything. And because of the ring light and everything, you're going to get the proper exposure that you need. Now, that item comes with a mount for your phone, but there isn't one that if you're not going to be using this particular stand or going to be using a tripod or some other thing, this stand also will be able to do it. This device mount will go on to your tripod, it'll go on a pole, it will go on various items, and it's wide and will hold most cell phones. Again, I'm going to leave you the link to where you can find these. Now, whether you're using your cell phone or a webcam or a camera, one of the things, of course, if you decide to use a webcam, is to have a webcam that's adjustable. Now, a lot of webcams are a fixed device, but AIRHUG makes two. One's a 2K, one's a 4K device. But the one thing that makes this unique, if you're doing a lot of videoing and you want to mimic like your phone, you can flip this camera and you'll be able to set it to whether you're doing landscape or portrait. At the same time, it has a built-in light. So you have a fill light. So not only with the stand you have a ring light, you have a built-in fill light in the unit. And it comes in two versions. One's a 4K and one's a 2K. When I'm doing with my product reviews, I happen to personally use a 2K. And when I'm recording on direct face, I use the 4K. And what's nice about it, of course, it does have a privacy screen built into it. In both versions, you can turn the camera physically left, right, up, down, and adjust it. It's got a mount for your tripod, and you can adjust the colors and hues so that if you're just going to use that light as a fill light or adding it with a ring light, it will give you the best colors. By the way, you're watching on that camera right now. Now, one of the things that I use personally is a USB switch. Sometimes I want to be able to go from one USB camera to the other USB camera. I use a switch. And this particular one I use because I can connect two USB webcams to it, and I can press the button and I can switch from one to the other to get a different angle each time. Or I don't have to switch and unplug one webcam of a camera if the computer doesn't have enough bandwidth. Check out my other videos on that subject. And the other thing is that you may want to get a fill light to increase the amount of light in the room. And this one over here is relatively inexpensive, and it will clip onto your phone. It'll clip on to your whether it be your laptop or your monitor, and allows you to have a quick and easy rechargeable fill light. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying this content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to, hit the little thank you button. I'm going to leave you all the links to where you can find these various devices. And please use the links. That's how Grandpa does support it. We do have an awesome t-shirt store where you can find Grandpa t-shirts. Check out the link that I'm leading you to. And leave it in the comments. Did you find this useful? Are you using any of these devices? And how are they working for you? Grandpa wants to know so that he can share that with you. Again, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below, and we'll be back with another video in the future.